Alright guys, this is part 3 of that video, so I'm going to show you a little bit more of the features of this cool little camera since we are doing an unboxing. We have the on switch, which is right here. This is quite standard, and you have the mode switch, which is that one. Over here, you can charge things with a USB-C, I believe, cable. And here you have the main screen of the camera. And then with a very, very light press and pull, you can slide that bit open and you can insert a battery in there. Isn't that cool? Just always remember though that these things here are fantastic, but this kind of metal is very, very easily bent. So make sure that you always close and push this back into place well, because on some occasions I've had things like this that got bent out of position and stuff like that. And sometimes you can bend them back into position, but sometimes you've wrecked the whole
Likey.